Today we'll do a little bit of an unboxing since I was stuck with some old blades like this, and they only measure out to be a 9-inch blade, which is actually surprisingly hard to find because this table saw is one of the few years that they actually only made for 9-inch blades. So I ordered another one online. It's actually the only place I was able to find it because locally nobody carried 9-inch blades. It was only either 8 1/4 or 10. So I found this one online. It says it's industrial grade. It's all laser cut, and it's alternating combination, bevel tooth and a flat bottom tooth every section. It's a full kerf, but it is a 9-inch, so it will fit this table saw very well. Comes packaged just folded up like this. There was a tape on the back, but I cut it just to make it easier to open. And there you go, that's basically the saw blade. I don't think we'll need the packaging anymore though. Throw that away. It is with a 5/8 inch arbor, so that'll do nicely. And being a good quality saw blade, I mean, made in Italy, right? So should be decent. And with these anti-vibration cutouts in it, should work really well. We'll test it out in the next video.